Everybody wants a hug.
Aw, what do you say, Katie?
So, you can do it again.
Don't worry, I'll put the pen in the book and stuff myself.
She's so nervous. She's so nervous.
You don't talk much, do you, little fairy? What do you need to do? Are you afraid of her? Yeah, go ahead, take that. You know how to fix that? Get up to her. Just skip around her in a circle. And then you know what happens? She gets all confused. And then she goes. That's what I do all the time. Don't even say hi, just be like.
Yes, he is.
Okay, I'm gonna watch. Do you want to take a picture by the wall, or are you going to move over a little bit?
So funny.
Look right here, Princess.